Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to design a logo like a pro.
And now here's human music.
A logo is a graphical mark that helps a customer quickly identify a brand while helping them stand out amongst their competition. A good logo needs 4 things. It needs to grab attention, pique interest, have meaning, and most importantly, it must be memorable. Look, you've seen them. Now it's time to make our own.
The harder that you try, baby, the further you fall.
For this assignment, we're creating a logo for Cats Dogs Pet Grooming, a premium home-based pet salon service. They've asked for their logo to read professionally and clearly without seeming too cold or stiff. They prefer earthy tones and love a vintage feel. The rest is up to us.
Everything you know about me, baby, you gonna have to change.
To come up with an assortment of unique ideas, we're gonna start by utilizing the glorious, never ever fails logo design exercise, the cool and clever creative combination concept grid of truth. Look, I didn't come up with the name. The goal of this exercise is to combine different aspects of the company into one succinct design. For Cats Dogs, I'll start by writing words across the top that represent pets. Dogs, paw prints, bones, you get it. Along the side, words that remind me of grooming. Grooming comb, bubbles, water, scissors, and so on. Next up, I'll start combining visuals within the boxes where the rows and columns meet. Merging dogs and combs, paw prints and bubbles, barber poles and bones. Some boxes will be weird as hell. That's okay, we tried. Pick your faves and don't worry if the sketch kind of sucks at the moment. We'll bring our tops to the computer, turn on our grids for that delicious symmetric goodness, and get to tracing out and shaping up our sketches. And presto changeo, we've got some real life logos. Well, sorta. I absolutely hate this fourth one. Not all of your ideas will necessarily translate well to the computer. And do not show your client a concept you're not happy with, just to provide another option for them to choose from. With that being said, let's try to save it anyways. I think that filling in and simplifying some of the shapes did a little something for me. On to the type. We've got some cute marks. Now let's match them with some fonts. You of course can create some completely custom typography or find some fonts that work well with your logo. I look for fonts that match a similar thickness, boldness, or delicacy of my mark's line weight or match its overall visual weight. To find dope fonts, I scour through some amazing type libraries like Lost Type, Awards, or Defont. We'll download a handful of them, head over to wordmark.it, type in the company's name, and see how it looks using all the fonts installed on my machine. I pull some to my artboard, see how they sit, delete a few, and manipulate the type to match the style of my logo. Por ejemplo, if my logo is more rounded, I'll round out the type to follow suit. Then,
it's color time.
As a reminder, the client wanted more earthy and retro tones. Time to pack up and head out on a color quest. From traveling down the palette paths of Color Hunt to searching through the rocky tones of coolers to walking in circles around the color wheels of Adobe Color, we landed on quite the assortment of options to choose from. Then it's test time. Eyedropper at the ready.
It's a deal breaker, baby, when you treat me like you do.
Options complete. Next task. The presentation.
You do.
That should be simple and easy to go through. A logo on a page here, color variants / options there, and some quick mock-ups to give your client some real-world use cases to bring their brand to reality. Mock-ups make a huge impact, and they're extremely quick and simple to create. Just head over to Graphic Burger or Mockup World, download a mock, double-click the smart object within the Photoshop file, place your logo, and voila!
Now I'm the local laughing star. That ain't cool.
Project elevated in less than a minute. Then it's time to send those suckers out and see what gets picked. If you're interested in taking on some logos of your own, there are tons of options out there to flex your skills and get your logo game on. You can find clients looking for logos on Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com, or challenge yourself with frequent logo briefs on Brief Club's Insta, Sharpen.design, Briefs, and Daily Logo Challenge. And that's what I've got for you today. Hey, were you gonna end the video without mentioning your book, Breaking Into Art Direction, that helps aspiring creatives build their portfolio from scratch and grab a job in advertising, that's available right now on Amazon.com for just $19.99? I wasn't planning on it. All right, just check it. Let me know which logo is your favorite, your least favorite. I don't know, both, in the comments below. Smash the like button if you appreciate the content. Give that subscribe button a click if you'd like to see more. This is Kevin Forster, logoing off. Like logging off, but with a logo that didn't hit.
Got a lot of words you don't know how to say. Pull out all your big ones, tryna flip my face. I give you a big